Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So great news here, there's a new Solo block being found on the Bitcoin network. Today's date of recording is the 5th of June. Now this block was found 5 days ago, so 31st of May, as it says here on the screen. It was mined under the pool Braiins Solo. So that is the third Solo block on the Braiins Solo pool this year, because we had one here. So block 938092 on the 24th of February. Block 947128 here on the 9th of April, and finally the latest block 951771 on the 31st of May. So that brings now, if we look at this column here in this spreadsheet on the left, the days since the most previous Solo block was 25 days, because we had that public pool on Humble block that was found by that Avalon Q, that 90 terahash unit on the 6th of May. Now, however, if we look at this column here, so rolling average days between Solo. So since the back end of last year, around October, when we had that peak of the difficulty, around 152 trillion there, these days between the blocks have steadily come down. Look, we've got 50, 49, 46, 44, 43, 41, 39, 38, 36, 35, and now it's coming down to 32. Okay? So that proves not only, obviously, are the days coming down between those blocks being found, but there's going to be a higher proportion of Solo miners on the network, which we're going to get into in a minute. But if you just look at the key stats for this block that was found, so again, at the time the block was mined, there would have been a difficulty of 138.9 trillion, which we can also see down here on the right-hand side in mempool where the cursor is now. So difficulty, 138 trillion. Now, the difficulty change between this block and the most previous one was plus 4.67%. So we're still finding blocks on a higher difficulty rating, which is great. Hash rate has come down a little bit, so in theory, it's making it easier for Solo miners like ourselves to find these blocks. Great news. And then if we look at the terahash curated unit for the rig that found this block, it was an Avalon Nano 3S. So you can get that for about, I think, $250 or £200, a 6.8 terahash rated unit. Just unbelievable that that was able to find that block. Okay, so again, Braiins Solo was the pool that mined it or found it, and then you've got the probability there, the years to find it, and the odds per day. Okay, so just amazing news, more blocks on the network being found by true Solo miners and Solo pools. Okay, so let's just look at what this means for us though, with the blocks that have been found in the past 2 years. So as you can see on the left hand side here, guys, if I just move this up so we get a little bit of more data on the screen here. So going back to May 2024, so this is now 2 years worth of data, right? And if we select all the blocks that have been found in that time, again, these are true Solo style blocks, right? So there's 23 in total. Now, if we select the ones from 2024, so we've got 7 blocks that were found in 2024, right? Okay, so that was a start. Then if we move on to 2025, there was, let's have a look, what was the count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks found, okay? Not a lot. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, okay? So 2026, you can see already, without me doing the count, we've found more than in the past 2 individual years, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? So we're not even halfway through 2026, and we've found 10, so we should say there have been 10 true style Solo blocks being found either by Solo miners mining on their own, i.e. public pool number, or Solo pools like Braiins Solo, Parasite, etc. Okay, so 10 blocks found during 2026, and we're not even halfway through. That is astounding. Okay, so it just gives credence to the fact that we know, hash rate on Solo pools and individual miners is ramping up all the time. And B, because the hash rate is coming down, obviously, yes, we know the difficulty is coming down. So in theory, that's making it easier to find blocks. But what's driving that is price-sensitive miners being forced off the network because it's no longer profitable and viable for them to mine. So as said in a few videos ago, on this channel, I truly think we're entering a golden age in the latter half of this year for Solo mining. When you put these factors together, combine everything that's happening like we've just talked about, it is the perfect storm for true Solo miners, sovereign miners, to get the bit between their teeth The hash rate is ramping up all the time on devices, whether it's at home or in pools. So it's just excellent news moving forward. So I think, if we look at the forecasts for the remainder of the year, I would anticipate 3 to 4 blocks every month. Now, if we go back to the start of the year, we had no blocks in January, but 3 blocks in February, as you can see here. So the public pool and Umbral, the Braiins Solo, and the Parasite pool. Okay, no blocks in March, and then we had an absolute smattering in April. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all across different pools. So we had the public pool instance, we had the NodeRunners instance there in purple, Parasite pool in black, and the public pool on Umbral, and finally another Braiins Solo block there. Now, if we scooch forward to May, so only 2 in May. We had that public pool on Umbral by the Avalon Q we mentioned earlier, and the one on Braiins Solo. Okay, so that brings us to June. We're 5 days into June, no true solo blocks yet, but the month is yet young, right? So let's see what the rest of the month brings. I would anticipate, like I said a minute or two ago, 3 to 4 blocks in this month and for the remainder of the year. Now, if that holds true, we've got another 6 months, and if we're saying, let's say 4 blocks per month, now that's 24 solo blocks for the remainder of the year. Now, if that happens, we're looking at probably around 35 blocks for the year in total, which would be absolutely incredible. And as I said in previous videos, it just gives credibility to the solo mining movement all the time. The more blocks that are found under solo miners, whether it's pool or home miners, again, it's giving more and more credibility all the time. We can see here on the screen this Bitcoin address where this 3.125 BTC was sent for finding this block, okay, on Braiins Solo. And then if we look at the actual stats, one of the really great features of Braiins Solo is you can punch in anyone's BTC address. And if we just try this again, I'll do it. So you've got the address there that found the block, because it's from there, we've copied it. And if we just hit open, you can see all the miners this person had hashing away, right? So it looks like they were a serious Canon fan, because they've got, how many? They've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 devices in total, right? And they've got how many? 2 mini 3s, and I believe the rest were nanos, right? So they had a total hash rate of around 157 terahash, okay? And you can see here, this was the device that found the block. So the actual share from this device that found the block, this Nano 3S, and they've labeled it C here, was 467 trillion, which is way over, right? The network typically of 138 trillion. So talk about a statistical outlier. And then, if we scroll down and you were to see or hit see full data here, you can hit that and it gives you in JSON printout, the key details that we're looking at on the screen of all of these devices, right? So that's really awesome as well. Publicly available data. So long as the devices are still online and hashing away, you can grab that. It's freely available. Okay guys, now remember, when a solo block is found on the network, we're going to be announcing it here first on the X feed. So as you can see, for the most recent solo block found that we've covered in this video today, so that was block height 951771, mined by Braiins Solo on the 31st of May, worth 3.1404 BTC and USD $231,000. So that'll be live on the X feed whenever a block is found. And if you do join ourselves on Patreon with the link in the top right hand corner of the screen now, you'll get access to the private Discord server group, which you can see on the left here. And for that, we have got a channel for solo mining pools. So when the block is found, we'll announce it on there as well. You can read all about it there first. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this short video today. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Stay ahead, stay decentralized. I'll see you in the next one.